Today, we're going to show you how to unbox and install the RZ020-5A-G and RZ020-10A-G motion sensor switch. When you receive the RZ020, please take a moment to read the manual and familiarize yourself with the installation steps. Then, use a small screwdriver to gently pry open the switch panel in preparation for installation. Get our screwdriver, voltage tester, and the motion sensor ready for the next step. Let's install the motion sensor. First, we will turn on the circuit breaker. Wire colors may vary. Test before connecting. Use the voltage tester to identify the hot wire. If you are not familiar with the wiring, please consult an electrician. The hot wire carries current, so make sure not to touch it. Now, we will turn off the power and proceed with the wiring. Please verify the wiring with a voltage tester before touching any wires. According to the manual, connect the hot wire, ground wire and load wire. After all the wires are connected, push all the wires back into the wall, ensuring that no wires are exposed. When installing the RZ020, make sure the side of the panel marked with "up" is facing upwards. Turn on the circuit breaker, and you will see the RZ020's green indicator light flashing. Now, we will install the panel and test each button on the RZ020 to ensure they are functioning properly. Enjoy using your RZ020.